In this video, we'll show you how to create Facebook stylish name with symbols and characters.
Before moving further, like this video, click on subscribe button, and you have to click on the notification icon. Click on all, so you will get the notifications for all the upcoming videos.
For this one, you need two things. First thing you need is the characters and symbols. These characters and symbols are given in the video description. You can get from there. And second thing you need VPN. The VPN link is also given in the video description. Open the VPN. After opening the VPN, here you will see choices. You have to click on it. From here you can select the country. You have to select Japan. You can select from these 4-5 options. You can select any option. We select this one, and then you have to click on this arrow, and here you can see connecting, and we are successfully connected. Minimize the VPN. Then you have to open Facebook. After opening Facebook, you have to click on these 3 lines. Make sure that your Facebook was closed from background. Click on settings and privacy. Click on settings, and then you have to click on personal and account information. Click on name. Now you have to paste the characters and symbols here. Copy the first name, paste here. Now you have to copy the last name and paste in last name. Once you will add your first and last name, click on review change, and then your name will appear something like this. And now you have to provide your password. Click on save changes, and here you can see our name is successfully changed. Now we'll go to profile and show you the changes. We'll refresh, and here you can see our name is successfully updated. So in the same way, you can also create your stylish name with invalid characters. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel for more useful videos.